JP Morgan today up almost 3% on the better than expected numbers this morning. We were so worried about the banking sector when Silicon Valley Bank collapsed. Do you still worry that there's more, shoes to drop?
I don't think so. I think Jamie Dimon gets it. I think he knows that this is a freedom to earnings. This is the first full quarter where they brought in some banks, brought in new customers, brought in new assets. It's a win-win for this bank, JP Morgan. Again, like I said, I like to buy the best, forget the rest. JP Morgan is the best of class. Again, you go under the hood, we see some investment banking numbers a little bit off, M&A activity off. We get that in this environment, but they're still cranking along. They are the bank of choice. Again, it's not very exciting compared to the AI story. It's not exciting compared to what's happening in big tech. But again, it is to have some of your money in banks, especially that turned out a decent dividend. Remember, just a couple of weeks ago, JP Morgan did a stress test. A couple of days later, they raised their dividend. I could see with the covering of dividends, they could still raise the dividend even more. So more stress tests for JP Morgan helps out shareholders because usually it ends up with more dividend increases.
All right, we will leave it there. Dennis Gartman, Ken Mahoney, great to see you both. Thank you, gentlemen.